everybody. I'm not there for this side. I'm not there for this side. Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm not there. I dey miss una, I dey miss una for this side, Hello, everybody. Hello. Good afternoon. I greet una. Now direct I be do this thing not even they show whether people they look myself. Like some I not even say hi. I for not even know where that person dey. Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm not there. Happy Sunday. I say me I greet una for this. How not day, my people. I'm not there. Also not day fine. Also not day fine. Also not day enjoy not day. When I know vex, I know they come this side. I'll still they come this side. It's just that sometimes I'll just go the other side. They go the other side. They share them for here. I'll still they come here. Also na day fine. When I enjoy na Sunday. Sometimes I'll still they try me and see they press this side. Even though say na 5 minutes, I just say me I just take greet men off. When I still follow me for my the other page, backup page. Touchable mama backup page. You know say na mistake get that. When I see they follow me for there. How many of them they won't watch me? I don't see how, they not sure. Me, I see. You get one video where I see. I'll play for now, your listing, okay? Because I know if show now. Wahala. How not day, my people of the house. How not day, people of the house. Okay, now be 14 when they watch me. Nice one. I know so many people not did by this time. How you dey? This person, Esther Destiny say, he greets me. I see him for here. I don't see him for here. I don't know why. Esther, how you dey? Because I don't see him for here. I don't know what they do the page. Or been on the phone, they can't they misbehave. Maybe not the page. I see him for here, I not see him for here. You feel still say, you don't greet me back. No vessel. I not see him for the one where I tell they watch you. And because I say I go look this one, now cause see say you greet me for them. How na day, my people, my lovely people. Oh, so na they enjoy na day. My people. You get one video where person sent come give me. This video, hey, I want just short, make I talk am for here. Okay? Me I just do one small, me I go do my thing because I need to do something. I say me I just use the opportunity to take greet people where see there for this page. When I dey watch this video, my people, hey, see pastor they do the vaga another man wife. The worst part of it, my people, the woman they talk for the background, okay? The woman can they talk for the background, because I don't know whether I go here, but I go just the plan, because I know if you show na for here. See the knocking. Oh, hey, sometimes I they come, be like say somebody put red head for them. Because I never talk to anybody now. I just they do my tea or waiting come make you put red head. I don't know. If na mistake, may you go come out. I don't know where you for put and go find you. I know they like people where they come my platform, when they put red head. Especially if I they talk, because I know they talk bad thing now. I just they do my thing, I just they talk my thing. Why you come? I see I'm say fly for you. No matter say I know they see comment, but I see say fly go up. I go find you. Just get them for your mind. I will block you. Okay? I will block you. That's why I tell you do my thing. If I see you, I don't know where you for put on, I will block you. I don't need people where their head not correct. Okay? If you know one, me, I dey watch many people video. Either they talk what I don't like, I'll come up for them. I know they go they do comments or go they put angry face. You not concern me. Now your platform you dey. It's like when you dey for your inside house, you dey do your thing. You understand? If na mistake, good and fine. But if I dey do something, you come my platform. Especially me, na me show my face. You can't they put angry face. I don't know what they beat you. I go find you and I go block you. Now so me I dey do my own. But if na what be say I put for there, you they hungry for what that person do. like I dey do video now, you dey angry for wetin the other person dey talk. Good and fine, I not talk to you. But say that me put my face. No, I go find you because I don't want me you dey, may you come dey hungry. You understand? May you dey vex if you dey see this my war face. I know say I war. You understand? But to leave her like that, more not find my man like that. So now be that one, my people. So now when they listen to this video, I know if show now, okay? And here I know if show now. Maybe I Jesus. Why now? You see, I know say me they talk all the time, say not be all pastor be pastor. I know say some better pastors still do. I know say still dey. But the one way no good, where just wake up in the morning, go say from today, I don't be pastor. Now many pass. So now make we not going to know the good one, the bad one. All of them come mix together. This woman now we not say he married. I know they blame only the pastor. No, Now not say me I know they do like that. No. You will be woman where you know say now only your man I suppose they see there. Nah, waiting. Wait the respect where you get for yourself. I dey talk all the time. If you know they marry again, that one they different. If you they do what you like, they go. But when you deal with man, say now you with your husband, una be husband and wife, una still there for the same house. Why you go be open your tomatoes for another person? Not be only the pastor. No. As the man wrong, now so the woman wrong. It's 50-50. Okay? It's 50-50. Because if you know they do, say you with the man not they. That one are different things. Go your way, the other one go still go your own. That way you go they fool yourself. So women not know say that they fool themselves to they do all these things. Like you deal with your husband. You go still go they open your bekus for another person. The man not go respect you. Person where you go open the bekus, he not go respect you. He go they use the eye till they look you say, oh no, we ain't no word. No man now. I don't want use that to do anything. Now just to dangbe and then I go throw away for dustbin. You understand? This one now, the woman for the background, she dey talk and say, if your husband they shook her, they do something, she not even know whether the man they do, whether or not they do. He said no, they come. He said Betty the pastor they do and she they enjoy it until they come. Can you imagine? May I still use this opportunity to talk to some of our men. Some of our men, make una still they ask una wife. It is very, very important, okay? Now your wife, now your girlfriend, ask her the way we tell like her. You understand? Because this kind of thing, see, they make some women, they like, may I go try another person? I don't know whether na my fault or not the husband's fault, you know? Because some of our men, they do this thing. Some of our men, they do this thing where they say, if their girlfriend ask them, they go say, ahia, usaka angbe. You too spoil for when it comes to that thing. If your wife or your girlfriend no ask you, if you not tell you, nah. You know, say we women with the talk. Again, one certain time, me with one somebody, we can't just they talk like this. Something of women like that, you know. Where we say some women, they know they reach that thing. You understand? We are now women now. They know they reach their orgasm, this one, that one, you know. Why? What did they cost can? What did they cost can be now? You know, your husband need to understand where supposed to touch for your body. What you need to do is still there because we are not be the same. Some people there, some women there where be say now only just the kiss her. The woman go just they see heaven and earth. You understand? Why some be now just to touch here? So there now just to the you know different place where be say. Man go touch you, you get your wiki points, all these things. So then now just to touch your leg, all these things, something like that. The woman go just the gaga. But some of our men, they know they ask their women, their woman, because it be like say, I don't know as they say they do one. It go like the women go the shame. How you as a woman, you go the shame for your husband. When we just they talk like this, say, He said no. He said when I go come ask her, I go no, you know what he they reply me. Now talk with just the talk. Oh. He said he go come tell and say, you too spoil. Now that thing you just know. I say, I say, sorry, I don't understand. You mean say if you tell your husband, say maybe cold they catch you, no say sometimes now. Woman, if you the hungry woman, not the hungry man. You go tell your husband, say I told them, oh. You understand something like that. He said, no, I don't feel do. You don't know, say na Benin my married. I was like, and then if not Benima, you marry uncle. Egbe where I can, you know, if you tell your husband, say, today, I leave you now. He said, no. When she try, the way the man say reply, she can't withdraw. Like, I know they talk again. I was like, me, the thing can shock me now. Say, you see, say this thing not good. He said, from there, you know, they tell your husband. Just like if your husband call her, she go. If you not call her, but for her to say, honey, you know, today now, he say, no, they do. He say, the man, the way, you know, say some of our men, not be all, some of our men, the way they test it, they do, it not good, It's very, very bad. To a woman, you need to understand your woman, She also needs to understand you. If your woman not tell you, say, make we go bed, now normal thing, okay? If your woman, that means there is something wrong. Now let you now they call her. The woman not they call you. No, not be so it's supposed to be. If you call her, the woman go still call you. You go able to tell her say, at any time my wife I dey here. Oh. You understand? You go no say because it dey very, very important. Because that thing, not they chop another thing. Now only your husband oh now you go chop. Now only you, now your wife oh now you go chop. I know say some of our men they cheat with not be that one. Because if they go will still come back. But when woman go call you, you go tell and say, I beg I no fit. You too like the thing self. I beg you don't do. The woman go do one kind. I too like the thing. I no call you again. It day. The woman lie, no go call you again. Even though say the call why even finish he head, he no go call you. He go dead there. He go say I go resist her. Because he no want me you come dey talk tell her all that nyama thing. Okay? So this video, I go just play am for now, just the listing because I no fit show am to now, okay? The man they knock am for there. If they knock am for there, now the woman come dey talk and say, if your husband they do the something, she don't know whether anything even pass there, whether the man even did there. God send, how you dey? Oh, God send, you they follow me for our page. Thank you. I don't say they follow me, and they see you for the other side also. When I see they follow me for them, I beg. You understand? Because sometimes we need to they talk about all these things. It's just that sometimes I don't even they get time self now because of say I don't want to do my video, they do video. We need to talk. This one at the video. We need to they talk all these things. You don't need to they shame to your husband or your boyfriend. Because when woman don't they shame for your husband, the day where be say the thing go they hungry and maybe the man I don't leave her for 1 month. 3 months, it just they do it, they go. What you say make the woman go do? What do you want? A happy Sunday to you also. What do you want make the woman go they do? Yeah, I can go come the day outside now. Una way be man, mona still they change all these things. It's not good because we women we they like all this agbogi, you know. I'll use that like me, I don't know other people. Me with my husband, my agbogi, you know. It will sometimes say if I put powder for neck, my husband don't understand. He don't understand where they go, you understand? All these things, they're very, very good. May you with your husband, one and they understand on herself. So we may there now, if they already that evening, say, this evening, now me and my husband today, oh, the thing, no, the shop. You know, the shop, come, now only that thing, the shop, oh. Now only that thing be food. And the thing where be say this, either your boyfriend or your husband, you understand? Maybe I never married and be boyfriend and girlfriend. Now only your husband I go see open there. You wonder when you know come they see say the man they tell you one kind thing. Now make some women they'll come they look outside, they go say, I'll just day. I not be say I not marry. Me with man go just day. The thing go they hungry me, I go they resist her for there, I not go fit talk. If I call her, he go say I too spoil. Why you go tell your wife say it too spoil? If your wife not spoil for you, who you say may go spoil for? For another person. If you spoil for another person, I don't want to ashy. It's supposed to spoil for you. You're not supposed to something they hungry and no talk. You go hide down. You go say ita. You got tabania. You go talk everyone ahead. You go make me take me I can't shame. How woman go the shame? Say you want eat something where belong to her. You go say no, may not talk. It's bad though, It's very bad. And now where be man? Mona they ask on a girlfriend or on a wife, especially when it can be wife. They ask her, now like this you tell like her. I've been like this. I've been like this. You need to ask her for real. You are right, the power since my wife say make we date. I don't know, say she don't. Now so. If me quick, she don't know, say work. Now so it's supposed to be, you understand? God said, now so it's supposed to be. You know, because you go get that steam when you tell no, say this your wife. You know, say sometimes, me I tell this one. Sometimes we will be women, we get that strategy sometimes, you know. If your husband know you well, when you be say you do the shots, your husband will tell you, say, no worry, I'll give you medicine. If they do me. Sometimes, when I just if you're panicky, you know wait till you're panicky. All this your job before small thing where not even reach anything. Oh, what shot, bang, bang, That's why I say you need medicine. I'll give you medicine. You understand that kind of thing? I'll laugh. So the thing go, I go say they go not be medicine. Go say no worry. Now medicine if you don't take her, your brain go come down. And not truth, you know, not truth. When you take her. You go sleep that kind of sleep, Oh my God, una understand now, we are adults, okay? Baby not there yet. You go sleep well, especially where be say cold this small. You understand? All your body be like say cold. Your husband use your hand tear up your body before you know something. Don't enter something. All your brain you go sleep like say small baby. Where be say the newly born, all your brain go calm down, your body go make well. Do you can't the last so laugh, If your husband will do something, you just laugh because the thing don't calm down. But some men they understand the code. Some men they understand. Madam, I dey enjoy this your talk. You dey enjoy my talking. Thank you. I may you dey. No, it good me with the talk all the time when we go sit down. Everybody will see the talking. Oh, this one. Una know say some women dey, So I'll play the video for Namona, no worry. Some women dey, they know they come. They know they come. And then they husband has. Even he see the apple for Ibu. He get one lady, One lady like that. We just the gist. Like women to women. This woman don't born, I think 2 pikin. Be like say na 2 or 3 pikin. He married for many years. She said she don't know what it become. This one now, Ibo, it still the apple for Ibo. Me, I don't even know say still the apple for Ibo. He said she never come before. Now when he leave his husband, now she know what it be that they come. Bini men say if woman they smile for everybody and ask constant to follow. No say she enjoyed the man. No be lie, oh. No be like they push my now mercy. You see this thing where we just the talks for now mercy be. Okay, I will talk that story. Now mercy be. Take it or leave. If you say not lie, go ask doctor. Doctor will tell you. Now mercy. Now mercy where be say go calm you everything. If you be woman where be say you know they do, you feel they do and you can't stop. You know they do for many years. Doctor start to they tell you something is wrong. Something they you need to do one. You need to do one. Even when you get belle safe. Doctor, they tell you, they near your husband. Not your doctor say you don't get belay, you know. They do one. Then they do one, you know. Like me, where be say I get 3 pikin. I be out for there. I know what tell you like. When I get belay, all my money go just go up. Then go just rise, go up. I they talk the truth. I know they talk like this one, not the truth. It go rise, go up. Me already, even though say na 2 or 3 times, I did that because everything rise go up, you know. But when we say I don't born, it go still come to normal. Now don't say some people be like that. So if you be say you get that woman where be say all the time, you know say the something it rise because we all not be the same. Some people do where be say if you don't get belly, it then normal. Some day where be say even just normal finish safe. But not be say go just normal finish say maybe for a month you with your husband and not they even they touch body you go to a doctor may give you something may you take booster you know something like that. So as I was saying this woman now Ibo he said when he leave his husband when he come the friend another person with your husband come divorce then the woman can't know what how to come. We just the gist he said that very day when with the boyfriend just did there. Now the boy, the thing, they don't dead there. He said he remains small. He said now she called the shadow. Now she called the do one kind like this. So he said the man can't tell and say now normal. He said she never experienced something like that before. 2 pikin, now she don't born for the so where be say don't leave her. He said, thank God say leave her. He said, people they talk and say, woman they come, woman they come. She don't know where to become. She don't know where to become. She be the thing say, now that enjoyment, oh, say as just with this one, that one. He say, no, say when you go be say you want come, you go there, you go heaven, you go come back. Even Percy call you that moment. Oh man, you wafin, I hope. For both couple now, other just men and women. You are right. As it be for man, as so it be for woman, yes. But may they come. But sometimes happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. They call this Mother's Day of 18. Mona no vessel. As we day here now, because person right time for here. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day, nah, not be the same day for all the country. Be like say now, no, because I know say now on the 6th I'll be on the 5th night for Italy. I don't can't remember again. Because I just see Mother's Day for there, Mother's Day for there. Anyway, maybe now different Mother's Day. The date they different. Happy Mother's Day to you. You know, he said, nah, come they happy say, thank God say I leave this man. I be no know where to become. He said, nah, the man come they experience, come they tell her and say, you never experienced something before. He said, no. Can you imagine? So some women there for inside their husband house now. We no even experience that thing where be say, if you want come, all your brain, it go like, oh my God. Oh my God, you don't understand now. You go one, go this side, go one, go the other side. Then you can't come down. You know, but some people don't know. Some men, because now hand the day, you need to know. Go there, look, check that G point. Go check where it did. Check where it did. May your wife, the one where go be say go shout. You understand? Something like that. Not be fake one. I know say some women they do fake one. Whereas he not come, go say he come. That thing not still good. If you not just come, I beg. Go ask, go make your husband know where he's supposed to touch. So that you go they enjoy. Now what to be a person they enjoy for life. Why you don't win boy? Yeah. I want a lot. Okay, I enjoy. You need to enjoy yourself. Not only that one person they enjoy. You need to enjoy them well. Now the truth, God said, now the truth. We need to, sometimes we need to talk about all these things. You know, say, if you they talk like topic, people they think say, everywhere second, everywhere one. No, it's natural thing. It's natural. Because some women there for inside house, we know they enjoy what you they enjoy, what me they enjoy. But they don't know what they're supposed to do. Or because of say their husband, if you tell them, say, here, you be a if you they call your wife say na igbeaga because of that thing, maybe say your head not correct. Maybe say your head not correct. How you go enjoy something your wife not go enjoy them? You don't see as you they enjoy and the thing they sweet you they see heaven and earth together. So why you know what made the woman even test that something like that? You need to see only how you tell like can I decide. And some men, if they just want to do with their wife, they go just do their own come up for there. You not go ask the woman. You come, you not come, you enjoy that, you not enjoy that. It don't do you don't come up for there. It's bad though. It's bad though. There is God though. There is God. You don't need to do something like that. You need to ask and wait. Make the woman first come before you. Not be say your job because they say the thing just with you. Your job do one. Make you just do your own. Make the woman there for them. No. You understand? So if you know say the thing they sweet you, try to also know whether I see they sweet the woman also. But women, some women more than not they like say yes, if they sweet me up because of say no one made the man tell you say you too spoil. I beg, may you spoil for your husband, that good pastor. Than where you go they spoil for another person. And you man the same thing. Otherwise your woman come they look outside because we wait with the women we they talk. Now so some men still they talk, you know. You understand? So this video where I go play for now. So now listen. I am putting more women to sweet. You understand? Now listen. I go listen to this video. I not go show am to una, because the woman talk and say, because you know why I tell this thing, that because of say the woman talk and say If your husband dey do am, she no dey come, she no know whether something even dey happen. You understand? She no even know whether something. But if the pastor they shook her, she dey come wella. You see, meaning the pastor know where supposed to enter. Your husband don't know where supposed to enter. Instead of me enter for this side, he go enter for the other side. The woman now, he go just like, you don't finish? Okay, make her get up. Finish. Yes, I dey call my wife. My yes, so of course now, that one now, for two of you now, you understand. You feel call your wife say, my na, you know, or you go still call you, the same name. You know, you're the giver. The thing it is sweet, you know. Say most of our people, we they call it dialogue. Dialogue, that is to talk to each other, to play with each other. You with your husband and your wife, una need to be say, una they play. It can sweet. And mona try and mona they do. Me with my husband, we they play like small picking. For real, we they play. I know they get shame if I want to talk to my husband, or I know they get shame if I want to do anything. You know, it they good well because I free to do everything where I like, because I know say you be my own. You still know say you know all these things. It they good well we will sit down, we will just talk many things. Talk even when we don't even finish. Says my husband, this one join enter, hey, my brain does scatter. Something like that. It can sweet. You just the gist, so they talk all these things. Now, normal thing, if you're not talking with your husband, say maybe the husband just you don't finish that one, come out, you come out. You go like, you know, they enjoy like that. When you don't finish, you now can see how you take see. I see him today. This one get us a B. This one he enter today, and the other, you know, something like that. You know, just they some women not they do one. So we may enter because of say or that thing go content and say you too spoil for that thing. Now only that thing you don't know. You don't know another thing. Why you go tell your wife that kind of thing? Why you go tell your wife that kind of thing? You not go tell her. May I play her for now? I don't know whether not the year.
My place the pain.
The woman can't talk.
The pastor folk me never like that. I know the grace. In folk, I know the take, I know the cat that's our folk.
Shona, yeah. I know whether not yeah, because the voice they low. He say he husband, she know even the count whether she even do anything. But if a pastor enter there, she dey know say she do something. Shona see. Maybe not just like when women see they talk all these things, you go say, something like that. Your husband handle you today, or you go, you know, something like that. You go say, my sister, me I tell you. Okay, on the year, okay. You understand? Go say, me I tell you. In my year there, I don't know as it be, I don't know as it be. I never come, You know? Some women like that, they go say, maybe na his fault, I be na husband, You see they be. Some women go like, may they go try another person, You see they happen. So now make her, if your wife no they come, let me say a big problem. Now your hand the day or you will be man. Now your hand the day, meaning you don't know your work. Not be to get her big or a long go be like this. No, even though say a small one, you go walk, you go all joints, you go follow all joints, you go make sure say the woman shout. The woman go say, hey, who were finishing when are there now. Now good pass. She don't understand. Let make me talk this thing because some women they know they come. He say if your husband they do, she don't know whether she even do anything. Meaning your husband don't know you. Open your leg, make her enter. When you go join make her she come out. He don't do you. You not go even know whether the woman you go say sa low boy na who I don't even know anything. I just did that. Oh, the name say you get husband, but you know they come. You know good though. Hey. So my people, now need that one because as I see this video where they send and come for me, I say, make I bring and come. May I can't use this time. May I can't still greet una for this side because I know say I they miss una see they miss me. I'll still they do video for here una understand. Sometimes I feel still greet una, we just still talk, you know. Sometimes it's good maybe they talk about all these things. Talk. Now social media to learn many things, you know, learn many things. Many people learn many things for this social media. It help them well, you know. It they help. What you mean not know, you go see no. What you not still know, the other one go see no. It's just that, but we not they go inside or can they describe and can they know. Now for math, just talk for math. Because if you go really look at, some men they too know their own. Not they insult your wife, they tell and say, here you too spoil. Now only that thing you know, or because of say your wife call you. You don't know say you they disgrace her, you they humiliate her, you know. They tell and say now only that one now you know. If she not can know that one, what you say make it know? What you say make it know? The thing they give person happiness, they give person joy, you know. You know, say if some men now if you want ask her money, you go say no get to, you know, you not just day, whether it's day. When you don't use the hand, say rubber and don't enter bed. Now you go even open your wallet, you go say how much you say you need safe. Okay, take. Because he don't give her joy. He brain don't relax, or your body don't come down. He go give you. You know? It's very important though. And a medicine. Okay? A medicine. So that is that, my people. See you. May I go do? I want to go do video, okay? I say me I just on this one, me I agree to now. I want to go do video. May I do my blogging of a thing. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you now. Wella. People of Untouchable Mama. God go bless you now. Okay? Bye for now. Happy Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Do not be why none and they do that thing. Our domain. Now mostly of our domain. None and they do. Okay? Carry your wife, draw near body. Find where it be say when you go tutorial, the woman go they know say na person touch her. Not be say person go touch you, you don't even know say whether person touch you. It not good though. Not good. Bye for now. God bless you. God sends. Bye. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.